Your home may be vulnerable to break-ins when you're out. Now there is Reolink E1 Outdoor. Trigger the siren and send you accurate alerts with person-vehicle detection.
Stay away from my house.
Warn off intruders from anywhere in real time with two-way audio and keep tracking automatically. Reolink E1 Outdoor is still powerful even after dark. With motion-activated spotlights, it continues to see full-color details in 5MP Super HD.
Hi. Yeah, I'll open the door right away for you.
Simple to install and easy to use to have it protect your home anytime, from anywhere. Come rain, wind or snow, Reolink E1 Outdoor Security Camera will be there and guard your every moment together with family.